Ladies and gentlemen, what is trending today is the plasma treatment. It is one of the many experiments that are being carried out because we still do not have a uniform or universal treatment for COVID-19. But plasma treatment did prove to be, in some cases, a lifesaver. But there are some problems that are being faced. People are not willing to donate, and also it seems that institutions are not prepared. All in all, this seems to be some sort of a fiasco. So we are going to explain to our viewers, as we do each night. Today, the plasma fiasco will be explained, and with the intention to fix the problem for the future, because this is very, very crucial. But first, for the benefit of our viewers, it is important to understand what is plasma therapy. What is plasma? So we'll have to begin with that. So let's quickly take a look at what is plasma. Well, plasma is actually, when you take a blood sample, 45% of what you see is blood. What is there in blood? You've got the red blood cells, the white blood cells, and the platelets. We are all aware of this. The remaining 55%, yellow in color, is plasma. It has protein, minerals, and that antibody, which means that if someone is suffering from coronavirus and has recovered, there are chances that in his plasma taken from his blood sample, there will be those antibodies or those agents that are going to fight the coronavirus inside that person's body, and hopefully, if taken out and given to someone else, will prove to be a lifesaver in someone else. That's as simple as this plasma treatment is. Now, what are these antibodies? Well, these are Y-shaped proteins. Essentially, there are proteins which will they build immunity in your body. They build antibodies, basically build up the immune system. This immune system will help you fight all the viruses as well as bacteria, because it's very significant. So whenever you get ill, that's because perhaps these antibodies are not fighting enough. Now, plasma therapy or plasma treatment for coronavirus, how is that done? Essentially, this is the method with which it is done. So, blood is taken from a COVID recovered patient. That person has, to fulfill the requisite requirement, which is about 14 days post-recovery, post-testing negative. The plasma is then separated and injected into a patient's bloodstream. Of course, one critical point over here is that the blood category has to match. It's not like you can give A positive to a B positive blood type. It has to be the same, and that's why it becomes even more tricky. So then this plasma is then injected into the body of a person who's suffering, who's weak, and this helps build immunity or strengthens the immunities due to these antibodies. Now, this is proving to be effective in certain cases, not all cases. The entire process, this entire process takes about 30 to 40 minutes. And you know the best part, if you choose to donate 500 milliliters of plasma, can save 2 patients who are critically ill. Not everybody needs this plasma therapy. But for those who do, 500 ml can help save 2 lives, 2 patients. That's very, very significant. Now, what are the challenges? Challenges are many, and they need to be spoken about. First of all, you've got to find a donor. This is proving to be a big problem because many people say, I don't want to go back to a hospital, just suffered enough. There are the chances of relapse of infection or the fear of a relapse of infection. But many doctors are now saying, don't worry, you already have that antibody. Chances of you contracting that virus again are limited or low. Another rule is that you need to get yourself tested before a donation, which that whole process is time consuming. See, there is a mandatory gap, which means you can't just recover and immediately donate. You will have to give a certain amount of time period, say about 10, 14 days, and then only donate. And what if in this period you have contracted that virus again? There has to be a test, and that whole process is very time consuming, and people think, let's just leave it. Let's not go ahead and give this donation.